Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're having a great day today. This is just going to be a super quick haul video from AliExpress. I really do like shopping AliExpress. I have no relationship with them. It's just that nail products that, you know, like blings and what have you, are just so cheap there. And I'm just going to share with you a few things. I was approached by a lady on Facebook who has a store there, and all these items came to me without express shipping within 3 weeks around the holidays. That was amazing to me, and I did purchase all of these items myself, but they do give some free gifts with purchase. I think I got a few extra buffers, I'm not sure. Yeah, I got some extra buffers. So everybody gets a free gift with purchase of so many dollars, so that's great. A lot of AliExpress stores does this. It's called the Black Pink Nail Art Store. At the end of the video, I'll put a little bit of me scrolling through the first page of their site, their store, just to let you see a little bit of what they have. They have a lot of stuff. And here's my first purchase. I've never had any rhinestones with the gold backing on them, and of course I had to get one for y'all too. So one of these will be going into a future giveaway. And look at them, they're really shiny and blingy, and I haven't had this color before, so I figured I had to get that. My funds are so tight that I just couldn't afford to get a lot of things. And here's the second color. I didn't have any in this color. Again, with a different backing color than I'm used to. But they appear so gorgeous. It's a different kind of blue, but it has rainbow. I don't even know if the light's picking that up. It's got a rainbow to it. Yet it's blue, purpley colored. And I, of course, got another packet for you too. So they'll be in a giveaway eventually. And I purchased some of these. The little, I don't know, what do you call them? I just call them metal blings. And they're just some cute little things. And they're flat enough that I can put them into giveaway envelopes as well. So I just want to share that with you. And this is all like moons and stars. And then this one I had to share with you because quite a few people wanted to know where I was getting my buffer blocks from. And the last time I showed one, the big packs were not available. This store has the 10 packs available. And I have 2 10 packs, and you can pick your color. I'm just gonna get, it comes in a big old pack. Just gonna get one out. And these appear to be the exact kind that I like to use. These are those 100, 180 buffers. I really love them. Buffers, files, foam files, whatever you call them, that's what they are. I don't know. And there's one more thing. Okay, my last item are some nail brushes. I don't have very many different brushes, and I wanted a few more gel brushes and different ones to do art with. And what I like is that these are the kind that they all came with the tube and with the clear protector on it. But I had to get in here and play with it. I like that they collapse. Just got to get used to doing it. They collapse down and they're only this tall. So that's pretty cool. I really like that. I have a couple of gel brushes from Alpha Brush that I use that are collapsible. And I'm just looking for a container that I could store them in. And you only have it about this tall. So if you guys know of a container that's not very big that would hold a few more brushes than this, please let me know. They have all these different heads in here. They come with the pink, in case you are wanting to use these for an aquarium brush or something. They're pink lids on these. So that was my ultra quick AliExpress haul. I thank you all for being here with me today. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.